Nice. Gotta catch them up. Gotta catch them up this one. What's going on down here? Let's go see. What'd you tell him?
You just wait and travel through the brush. It's right down the creek.
Yep. Go through the creeks, go through. I like that. That's pretty cool. Dope as fuck. Ooh, spooky. Yeah. What's up ahead? What's up ahead? Oh, that's what I said. It's a stump. Gotta get over this thing. Can't go over it. Must go under it or through it. We're going through it, son. Oh, let's see where this pops out at. Ooh. It's a washout. Very deep washout. That tree's gonna fall over soon. Should be crazy. Puppy dog! Yeah. What's up? What you doing? What you doing? Sorry, dog. Come on.